Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy Ohab from Jagiellonian University in Krakow, Poland. I will present for you today a taste of a nonlinear correlation analysis of functional MRI data. What you see here is a diagram of the experimental task connected to testing short-term memory distortions. The example given here is a non-verbal visual task where a person is presented with pictures bearing some global similarity. They are supposed to memorize those pictures because in a couple of seconds they are going to be asked whether another picture has or has not been presented to them. And there are three possible scenarios: positive, a picture that has been in the memory set; negative, a picture that is nothing like the memory set; and what we call a lure, an intentionally misleading negative example. Now, going to the analysis, there are multiple ways to compute and interpret correlations, and we are working with two types. One where we measure the instantaneous co-activations of high amplitude events between brain areas, and the second one, which I will talk about further on, in the framework of the trended fluctuation analysis. So first we look at the average signal of a given region of interest from AAL Atlas, and we measure scaling of the variance of that signal's fluctuations, which gives us the information whether the signal is temporally correlated, that is more like or more unlike it was at earlier times. Additionally, we measure cross correlations between signals coming from different brain regions, but taking into account the temporal autocorrelations. Having computed the correlation matrix here between all the 116 AAL regions, we can decompose it into collective modes, eigenvectors, which simultaneously link correlations between multiple regions. This way we can obtain a cleaner and more robust effects, such as differences between memorizing and retrieval of information that is presented here, but also subtler effects as well. If you'd like to hear details, come to my poster at Discord, channel P87, and let me also take the opportunity to share the open call for postdoc and PhD student positions in a larger project that I'm part of, the biologically inspired artificial neural networks. And finally, these are my collaborators in the study that I presented. Thank you so much for coming, and see you at the poster session.